Calling Internal Revenue Services. How may I help you?
Hi, yes, I got a call from this number.
Okay.
Is there anything that's wrong? Hello?
Yeah. So, ma'am, can you please help me out with your name so that I can pull up the records and I'll give you the information why you received the call?
Yeah, it's Ben Cho, Bencho.
Okay. And this is your first name or last name?
That's both first name and last name.
Jancho is your first and last name.
Yeah, Ben is my first name, Cho is my last name.
Okay. Jancho, right?
Yes.
Okay. And Jancho, you will receive a call on the same number 5712.
Yeah.
Just give me 1 minute. Let me pull up the records so that I'll provide you the more information. Okay?
Okay.
Just be online. Just give me 1 second. Okay, Dancho, can you hear me?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, Dancho, actually there was an information call to inform you that there is an arrest warrant is issued against your name. You know about that?
No, what is it about?
Have you received any phone call from your local police department?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Miss Dan, let me tell you right now the arrest warrant is issued against your name due to the tax evasion.
Okay.
You know what is tax evasion?
Yeah, like not paying your taxes.
Right now the thing is, it's not just not only about that you are not paying the taxes. Right now there are some mistakes and some errors are done by your side by filing your taxes.
Oh, okay.
So that's the reason the IRS has filed 3 allegations on you and the arrest warrant is issued against your name.
Oh, okay. So what are those? So basically tax evasions?
Okay, so do you want me to provide you more information or do you want me to forward your file to the local police department?
Can you go and provide some more information for me, please?
Okay, just do one thing, just grab a pen and paper and write down some information.
Okay, hold on. Oh, okay. Alright, so go ahead.
Okay, Dancho, just first of all, just write down your arrest warrant number.
Okay, go ahead.
It's 100
Okay, 100
76
76
37.
37, okay?
Yeah, now write down your case number.
Okay.
It's AG, A like apple, G like Gloria,
Okay, so A is an apple, G is in golf,
slash
slash,
SG, S like Sam, G like Gloria,
okay,
slash 005348.
005348.
So can you please confirm me the ID, your arrest ID and your case ID?
Yeah, 1007637, and A is in apple, G is in golf, slash F is in Frank, G is in golf, 005348.
Exactly. So the thing is, Dancho, before providing you any further information, let me tell you this is a federal recorded line.
Okay.
This is a 3-way conference with the Homeland Security. So make sure whatever you speak or commit must be truth and honest, because this phone recording will be serving in front of the Bar Council of your state to prove you innocent or guilty. Am I clear to you?
Well, so is this call basically like you basically reading my Miranda rights right now and saying that anything in this call could be used as evidence against me?
Yeah.
Oh,
This is
okay.
a federal recorded line with the Homeland Security. Okay?
Okay, so what are my rights again?
Now, you don't need to write, just listen me very carefully. Dancho, actually the thing is the IRS has done the federal audit of your last 5-year taxes from year 2012 to year 2016.
Okay.
And we found a lot of errors and mistakes in your tax papers. And just
Okay.
because of those errors, there is a miscalculated tax amount is still pending on your name, which
Okay.
you owe to the government. And the amount is $3,476. Okay?
Okay.
So can you please tell me who is taking care of your taxes? You yourself or you have an accountant?
Before I tell you, so basically, I just need to make sure because because I've been told by my lawyer to not tell any evidence that could be used against me. So could any evidence in this call be used against me?
Yeah, sorry, an evidence.
Yes, this call can be used as evidence against me.
Yeah, exactly. I told you this is the federal recorded line.
Oh, okay.
This is the Homeland Security is tracing each and everything.
Okay, so I have the
Okay.
right to remain silent, right?
Sorry?
So I have the right to remain silent, right? And I have the right to a lawyer and
Yeah.
have him present. And I have the right to a public defender.
Uh-huh.
And is that the case?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so I refuse to speak to you until I have a public defender.
Okay, you have a court defender, right?
No, I don't have one right now. You can go and give me one.
Okay, right now, I can't give you any defender over here.
So
So,
there's no public
I
defender
just only
right
want to... No.
No.
I just only give you the information and the solution, what's going
Next
on,
Wednesday?
why you have the arrest warrant, and what are the solutions, okay?
Oh, okay.
So right now, this is a miscalculated amount of your last 5 years. There are certain mistakes done by your side while filing your tax papers. That's the reason the IRS has filed 3 allegations on you and the arrest warrant is issued against your name.
Okay.
So I just want to know who is taking care of your taxes, you yourself or you have an accountant.
Well, I invoke and do not waive my Fifth Amendment right to protection from self-incrimination and refuse to answer your question.
I just want to know who is taking care of your taxes.
I refuse to answer your question. Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I refuse to
NGO.
answer your question. Yes, hello?
Okay. So let me tell you, in last 5 years, there are some mistakes done by your side by filing your taxes and a mistake in the calculation. So you owe this amount to the government. The amount you paid for your taxes, this is the underpaid amount by you.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
Right now you have an option, you can fight a case against the government. So do you have any criminal lawyer who will fight a case against the government?
No, however, well, I mean, according to the Sixth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, I have the right to a lawyer. And you have to give, and
You
you
have
have
a
to
lawyer?
give me one. I don't have one, but you have to give me one.
Right now your arrest warrant is on activation mode. And on this situation, I can't appoint you the lawyer.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're violating the Sixth Amendment.
Right now, you just need to appoint a lawyer who will fight a case against the government for you. But right now, the IRS have the strong evidence against you, and if you lose the case, the government is going to sue you more than $30,000 to $40,000 as a penalty, and they will send you for the 7 years of the federal imprisonment. And once this line will disconnect, within 1 hour, you will be arrested by the local police department, and they will seize your property, your bank accounts, and they will also block your social security number.
Okay, yeah, but
Because right now,
I'm not gonna talk to you until you've fulfilled my rights, because otherwise I'm gonna end up losing in court.
so right now on this recorded line, I just want to know your clear intention now, how you want to deal with the situation, how you want to deal with your case. Do you want to fight a case against the government, or do you
Well-
want to resolve the matter outside the courthouse without facing any kind of legal consequence?
But I'd like to go ahead and talk to my lawyer first. Talk to a public defender first, sorry.
Rancho, right now your arrest warrant is on activation mode. So you're not authorized to hang up this call. I already told you this is a federal recorded line. Once you disconnect this line, I have to take the legal action. I have to forward your file to the local police department to get your arrest.
No, I have the right to a lawyer.
Okay, so you want to fight a case against the government, right?
No, I prefer not to, but I need to talk to a lawyer first.
I already told you, Dencho, right now your arrest warrant is on activation mode and you're not authorized to talk to anyone over this recorded line until you cannot cancel the arrest warrant.
Okay, so can you go
If you
ahead?
want to,
Can you just give me a phone number of a public defendant? I can use my home phone and call him.
Okay, just give me 1 second, okay?
Okay.
Yes, your call has been transferred to the Attorney General. My name is John Parker. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm also fine. May I know to whom I'm talking with?
Yeah, you're talking to Bencho. That's BNCHO.
Okay, Miss Bancho, do you understand each and everything what my officer told you about the warrant?
Yeah, I understand what is being brought against me. However, I don't understand how I don't have a right to a lawyer before I get arrested.
Okay, so let me repeat it for you. The IRS has done the audit on your tax papers.
Okay.
And what we found, there are some mistakes from your sides while filing the taxes. And there are some miscalculated tax amount pending. It's $3,476 you owe to the government from 2012 to 2016. That's why the warrant has been issued.
Oh, okay.
It's the main thing.
Okay. However,
And
yeah, like
Mhm.
I would like I want to have I want to speak to a public defender first before I
But right now, listen to me. First of all, I'm not taking a payment over on a phone call, okay? If you want to resolve this matter, what can I do? I can make an appointment with the government CPA who will come at your place to hand over you all the documents. First, I will show you the papers, okay?
Okay, and
And this is a federally recorded line to the IRS headquarters and the local authorities of your state and the sheriff department and the homeland department. So whatever you say, whatever you commit must be truth and honest. Because I have to show this recording in the front of bar counselor of your state to prove you innocent or guilty.
okay.
And Miss Bancho, this is a honest mistake from your side, or you did this thing intentionally? What is that?
First of all, am I being arrested right now?
If you disconnect this line, cops will reach you within the next 40 minutes. They will simply take you in a custody for next 90 days as a non-believer. That's why, let me tell you one thing. If you want to cancel the arrest warrant, just simply tell me on this recorded line. I can resolve the matter. But if you disconnect the line, if you disclose the matter to any third person, if you involve any third person in this case, that you are going to resolve the matter outside the court.
Yeah.
I'm not the authorized one. I'm not the authorized person. If you disclose this matter,
Yeah. However.
once your arrest warrant has, let me speak.
Okay, go ahead.
Once your arrest warrant has been cancelled, you can talk to anyone else, to your accountant, to any people,
So you basically
to your
saying
lawyer.
that I don't have the right to a lawyer right now?
Now, you have no need to write to the lawyer.
Oh, okay.
If you want to resolve the matter, I can give you an option, but there are some certain conditions.
And what are those conditions?
The conditions are that to cancel the arrest warrant, you have to purchase electronics federally tax pay vouchers from the government store, okay?
Okay.
Then I can do the confirmation of the voucher. I can send the confirmation to 4 different departments, to the FTC department, to the IRS headquarters, to the local authorities of your state, and the Homeland Department. And once they verify your voucher, they will send me the confirmation code that your arrest warrant has been cancelled. Then I can make an appointment with the CPA who will come at your place to hand over you all the documents. Then you can hand over the voucher to the CPA.
Okay, so can I
So
can you go over my tax return and tell me where I messed up?
no, right now I am not going to do that. I don't
Can
have
you-
a permission to do that.
Can you transfer
This
me to
is very
someone that does?
Sorry?
Can you? I mean, you're the Attorney General, so like,
Yes.
yeah. So I don't know why you don't have the permission to do that.
I beg your pardon?
Yeah, you're the Attorney General, so I don't know how you don't have.
Because the officers are waiting for my signature to take a legal action. I am the only last person who will handle this case, who will cancel the arrest warrant. That's it.
So I mean, if you aren't going to, if you can't even go over my tax return with me, I'll go and think this is a scam.
I beg your pardon?
If you won't go over my tax return with me, I will think this is a scam and report you to the FBI.
If you think this is a scam, you can simply go to the police station, to the nearest police station. I will fax them each and everything, and I will tell them there is a warrant on your name, which is on activation mode. The officers, they will simply arrest you on the spot. Did I ask for any credit card or debit card number from you?
No, but you're impersonating. If you're a scam, then you're impersonating the IRS, which is illegal.
Okay. Just let me hang up the call. Let me proceed in the legal way. Within the next 40 minutes, cops will reach you.
Okay,
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Okay, so I'll call you back in about an hour, and if the cops aren't here, then I'll just go ahead and call you back. Okay?
Yes, you can call me when cops will reach you. Have a nice day.
Okay, in about an hour, I'll call you back. And you're a scam.
Yeah, thank you.
You're a scammer. Teri maki chu tu scammer hai, you marachod scammer.
Oh, pan ke laude तेरी ऐसी माँ छोड़ दूँगा ना.
Teri maka bozuru maru
Mother-
marachod.
Man के लंड दल्ले रंडी के औलाद.
Teri maki chu. Listen, you're a scammer. Have you realized that yet? So in an hour, I'll call you
I beg your
back.
pardon?
In an hour, I will call you back.
Sorry?
In an hour, I'll call you back.
Okay. Okay, Makelode, I'm waiting for your call.
Okay, Teri maki chu.
बहन चोद आजा चूस ले मेरा
Teri ma randi.
बहन के लोटे क्यों
Teri
तेरी
maki
माँ के
chu.
डाटा लगा हुआ है बहन चोद तेरी माँ की फटी पड़ी है साले
Teri maka bozuru maru marachod.
बहन चोद कुत्ते
Bakri chod.
साले ऐसा फोटा करके मारूंगा ना बहन चोद भूल जाएगा सारा
You bakri chod. Tu scammer
आया
hai
चूस ले मेरा
marachod.
आया चूस ले आजा चूसना है क्या
Teri maki chu.
बहन क्यों तेरी माँ की नहीं है
Teri
बिना
maka.
चूत की है तेरी माँ
Teri maka bozuru
तेरी
maru
माँ बिना भोसड़े
marachod.
तेरी माँ बिना भोसड़े की है तू निकला कैसे फिर बहन चोद
Teri maki chu.
आसमान से टपका गया तुम आसमान से टपका गया था
So
मैं
how?
तेरी माँ की मारी तभी तो निकला था
So are the cops
भूल गया
coming
क्या
yet?
अपने बाप को भूल गया
Are the cops coming yet?
अपने बाप को भूल गया
Are the cops coming yet?
क्यों साले अपने बाप को भूल गया क्या इतनी जल्दी बहनचोद
Okay, so now I can claim that this is a scam and the cops aren't coming. Goodbye. Oh, exactly 20 minutes. So thank you very much for watching. Feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.